on how to create a Dropbox in D2L and use Originality Check also. So again, this is the template that our board uses. And in this tab here, you can see that I have a tab for Dropbox. Yours might not, so you might have to do a little searching. So we go into the Dropbox. Okay, as you can see, I already have a couple things in here. One says dog stuff and Mario 7. So we're going to build a new folder. Okay, so the new folder, we'll call it math assignments. Okay, so we've now built our name. Now enable this. This is very good, especially if there's any types of essays being submitted, because Originality Check will link your essay to turnitin.com and check to see for plagiarism of the essay. So yeah, we're going to use this, and this will open up another couple questions at the end. There's tons of other things. We can have individual submissions. We can create it as a group if we want, and then have a category. If there's a category in our course, so maybe this is under algebra, I could create a new category, I can build one. We can build grade items, all right, and that way we can submit a grade back. We can say what it's out of. We can add rubrics. All of these are essentially another topic. They can go very, very in depth with them, so I'll cover them after. So the scoring is really great. We can give instructions in our assignment. Submit your work. Okay, there we go. We can attach a file of instructions. So if I have a Word document laying out what this math assignment is, I can attach it. I can record an audio to it. Okay, we can go in there and have our own recording of our voice explaining the instructions. Submission options, we can say unlimited, one per file, and obviously you just kind of read to go through these. And then Originality Check. Okay, so this is where they've given us options for that. What it does is this tells you the many options we can put under there. Okay, identify. This one will tell us if we want only specific students to be checked. This one I want everyone to be checked under this. Okay, so we have that. I'm going to save it. Okay, what we've done. Restrictions again is another topic. We have a start date, but release conditions, sorry, is going to be like another topic video. And the objectives of the assignment, we can kind of fill that in. Okay, so we have our assignment here, and I'm happy with everything I got. So this is our folder, save and close. Now, if you notice this little button here, or this little symbol shown up, Originality Check. Okay, so we have our math assignment. Mario assignment does not have that. Our new math assignment does. I want to show you something. So under dog stuff, I'm going to view some submissions here. Okay, so I'm going to view our student submissions, check out their files. We go through it, and I'll see here at the end. I submitted a document called Info About Dogs. I did it yesterday because it does take some time for the Originality Check, and I literally took this a section from Wikipedia, copy and pasted it, just to test to see how strong our Originality Check was. And if you notice, what it says here is 99%, so red. So what that means is 99% of this is identical to something else they found in turnitin.com. So if I click on this, it'll take me to my turnitin.com, and it'll highlight everything that it thinks was copied, and we can go and check all of the ones that's similar to. So clearly somebody submitted at another school, but this is the original one. I took it directly from Wikidocs, okay, so which makes sense, and it's showing you that this is all copied stuff. So this is a great for check for plagiarism and any types of assignments that you would submit using maybe an essay style. Okay, so regardless, that's just the Originality Check. So let's say we're happy with all of this. I go back to my Dropbox. These are my 3 assignments I'm allowing. Now, I want my students to be able to access this easy. I don't want them to go in the Dropbox. Again, I want them to go through content. So I go into my content here. And I've already added this one in creating a Dropbox in here, but I'm going to show you how to do another. We had dog stuff that we talked about before. So we'll close these 2. It's our D2L instructions. So creating a Dropbox in D2L. I go into this content, and I already have dog stuff. So because I've already created the Dropbox, I'm going to be adding an existing activity. So I'm going to take it from our Dropbox, and you can see they're all here. Dog stuff, Mario assignment, math assignment. I want to add the math assignment, okay, and it shows up. And here's my description, submit all your work. This is a draft right now, so the students can't see it. I need to publish this draft. So now every student in the class can submit stuff under math assignments, and all be sent into this Dropbox. And this Dropbox will use that Originality Check to make sure that essentially it's not the same as something else somebody has submitted. Okay, so there's our info on how to create a Dropbox and use Originality Check.